Flat Earth, is it science? Is it a conspiracy? Or is it pure stupidity? Flat Earthers believe they are an American football team, and they also believe that they are winning the game.
There will be millions more flat earthers.
Space is fake. You're not on a spinning ball. They're gonna teach you, listen guys, they're gonna teach you you live on a spinning ball. That doesn't make it true. It's not real.
There will not be millions of new flat earthers this year, and some of them know it and try to recruit from schools. Yes, that's how low many flat earthers can sink. Flat earthers loves to talk about science, and they choose what science to believe and not to believe. And they always say, make your own observations. Often they don't, but some of them do their own observations.
Okay, look at the huge sun. It's way bigger than the Earth. And then they'll triangulate it down to the Earth and say, oh look, you can see around the corner.
This is an egg. This is a parts per million counter. I could apply this technology and I could perform a practical scientific experiment where I could measure the density of medium, in this case water, and I can make this egg move.
You guys are part of the experiment stream. So obviously we've got an egg. What's going to happen when that egg goes in the water?
And there you have 3 examples of when flat earthers try to prove flat Earth and only succeed to prove that they are fools. According to flat earthers, the universe is fake. Our solar system, it's also fake. And the sun, it's fake. And the moon, it's some kind of mysterious light up there. But it's not a moon, it's not solid. And of course, we don't live on a globe. We live on a flat pizza world.
Look at Saturn. Wow, look at this with the 4 moons. Oh man, look. And that's how you know it's real, guys. Look at the Saturn. Look at the shadow on the ring. That you can't fake that. That is so real. Or can you? Oh, you can, and I did.
Our electric, close, local, small sun. The sun is not a huge burning ball of gas 93 million miles away. That is ludicrous. It is insane. It is part of the heliocentric delusion.
According to flat earthers, rockets don't go out of space. They are sent out to the Atlantic Ocean and crashes there. We never went to the moon. The ISS is high altitude airplanes, and satellites are balloons.
Who still believes NASA put men on the moon? For the few remaining fantasists that actually believe the moon landing tosh, I'm afraid to tell you we're absolutely going to annihilate your fantasy world yet again. Now, if you're a space superpower and you wanted to spy on someone, what would you use? Victorian technology, i.e. a weather balloon? Or a satellite in space? That's right, you use a satellite in space. They can't use the satellite in space because space, i.e. tin cans orbiting a globe Earth in a vacuum, isn't real. So as a result, if you want to spy on someone, you've got 2 options, a spy plane or a high altitude balloon. And of course China chose the latter, and in doing so have highlighted the absurdity of all the space claims. yet again.
And according to flat earthers, they are the only one who understand navigation. They are experts in using sextants and so on. But funny enough, do anyone work on ships? Do any one of them have any kind of education or experience of navigating a ship?
When it comes to celestial navigation and celestial angles, our opposition don't want to accept that these angles are always right angle triangles, because that's what an angle of elevation is.
If navigations on ship would be handled by a flat earther, this would be the result. A sinking ship. And of course, flat earthers are experts in aviation too. But strangely enough, no pilots have come forward and talked about flat Earth.
I received an email from a retired F-16 pilot whose name is Mike. His new YouTube name is FE Viper 16. A good name, so watch for him in the comments. I spoke to Mike on the phone today, but he wishes to remain anonymous, and I will certainly honor that, as this retired Air Force pilot confirmed that he definitely flew over a flat and stationary Earth, and that none of the systems of his aircraft were designed with the curvature in mind.
Of course, there's a lot of videos from flat earthers presenting anonymous, fake pilots, but the problem is real pilots have debunked those videos and those claims time after time after time.
Flight map check, who's ready? Auckland, going to San Francisco. San Francisco to Houston. Houston finally into Buenos Aires. But why? That seems like a waste of gas to go from Auckland all the way to San Francisco, over to Texas, and then all the way down to Argentina. Okay, now hear me out. Let's see what the flat Earth model depicts. You just have to see this for yourself. Look at this. So this is New Zealand. Aha, San Francisco, Houston, down to Argentina.
And flat earthers are experts in navigation in the skies, but they believe that this proves the flat Earth. But you only have to look at the flight between New Zealand and South America, that they don't make any sense at all on a flat Earth. Thank you everybody helping me, helping Ukraine. All revenues from this channel goes for buying drones to Ukraine, and donations on PayPal goes to buying kamikaze drones that are produced in Ukraine. So thank you everybody helping Ukraine. This was part 1 of Flat Earth. Is it science, a conspiracy, or is it pure stupidity? In a few days I will release the next one in this series. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.